Welcome back, guys. Good afternoon. Sorry it's been a while. Been very busy lately with holidays and birthdays and all sorts going on. So yeah, it's nice to be back. I have this watch to show you all today, which is the EF-129D 28VEF. My first Casio Edifice, which I'm very excited to show you today. I've had it over a month now, so the unboxing of this today will be just for show, basically. I've already had the links taken out of it and I've had it adjusted to my wrist size, so it fits perfectly. And yeah, so if you're thinking of buying this watch, it's been one I've been looking at for a while. There's two different colors in this. There's this blue one and there's also a black and red one, which I quite liked as well. That one's currently cheaper on Amazon, so yeah, maybe if you are looking to buy this model, maybe go for the black one, just through sheer price, really. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to buy it. So yeah, thanks everyone who subscribed lately. That's awesome. We are heading towards 400, so I'm pretty pleased with that. Many thanks. Okay, let's get on with this review. So, like I said, this is my first Casio Edifice. I like a lot of these Edifice watches. I think they're pretty stylish, pretty elegant, and they're just quite, different than your normal sort of Casios, different from your normal G-Shocks. And yeah, I had to get this one. It was a pretty good deal. I was going to buy it, but some good friends of mine in Poland kindly gifted me this watch for my birthday, so it's free. So I'm pretty happy with that. Thanks, guys. Thanks for that. Let's open it up. So as I said, it's already been out the box. I've already had links taken out of this. The date is already correct. Had 2 links taken out of this. It was pretty big on my wrist. But the kind people at Timpson's took the links out of it and it's now perfect. So there you go. Stunning looking watch. Really nice, really chunky. Clear display, lovely dials. I love the Edifice little logo on there. I was thinking about getting another 3D printed logo to do this review, but I didn't really have any time. So yeah, here it is. Love the color, the little blue, the little stripes down the middle. Really sets it off. Like I said, really elegant looking watch. Yeah, really pleased with this one. And managed to talk my dad into buying an Edifice. So hopefully if he decides to lend me his watch, I will also review my dad's Edifice in the next video. His is lovely as well. So yeah, I'll be pretty pleased to show you that. Let's get it off the little pillow. Put the box to one side. There we go. Just ticking away there. 100 meters of water resistance on this. Plenty of water resistance. I did have a look at the Lume the other day. I'd sort of left it in the sun for a bit. The Lume is pretty good on this. I'm pretty impressed with it, actually. The only thing I would say is the buckle. The buckle, the little pin in there. It's, I mean, it's pretty effective. But just, I don't know. I think over time it might wear out, but probably not. Casio normally do it right. But look at that. The blue on it is great. Depending on what light you are in. Sometimes it looks navy, sometimes it looks light blue. But brilliant watch. Okay, let's try it on. Yeah, there we go. On the wrist. Beautiful. Good looking watch. Quite chunky on my wrist. I have a 7.25 to half an inch wrist, depending on how much I've eaten at the weekend. But it is a good fit for me. I would say for some people it might be a bit big on the wrist, but yeah, it's not too bad. I'm pretty pleased with it. It's very comfy. The strap feels nice. Buckle feels good. Yeah. Awesome. Just a little close up for you here, just so you can see everything. Really well made, very well made watch. And And yeah, like I said, at the moment, the black one is cheaper on Amazon. So, you know, if you do really want this model and you're not fussed on the color, maybe get the black one. The blue one is beautiful, but the black one probably is just as nice. I think that's about £56 on Amazon at the moment. So yeah, get it. Like I said, I'll leave a link in the description. Really smooth looking watch. Brushed stainless. Perfect. Ooh la la. I'm just gonna do a little comparison today with my Joro, because I think these are very similar kind of sizes. Anyone who owns a Joro will know that this is a bit of a beast. And yeah, this Edifice, pretty much similar size, a little bit bigger, much heavier obviously because of the strap. But yeah, those two side by side, looking good together. Great pairing, great pairing. If you only own a few Casios or you're looking to buy a couple of Casios, these two right here, brilliant, really nice. Let's show you the Lume on this thing. Not many features on this, obviously, because, yeah, it's not a G-Shock, it's not digital. It is a quartz. Not much going on there. Crown's very easily accessible. It's not a twisty crown. It's a double clicker. So one out for the day and the date, and two full clicks, sorry, for the time. Superb. Okay, let's stick this in the sun for a few minutes and see you in the bedroom. So, anybody living in Great Britain will be aware that the summer decided not to show up this year. So my plan was to hold these both in the sun for a charge for a few minutes, but all there was is clouds. So I've had to hold artificial light over both of these watches to charge these Lumes, and pretty effective, I would say. Joro looks slightly more crisp, more brighter, but to be honest, I think that's due to the fact that the watch face on the Joro is actually black, whereas the Edifice is blue and lighter. So there you go. Pretty good Lumes on both of these guys. Really pleased with the Edifice, the EF-129D. Great watch, great Lume. Really pleased with it. So that was the testing of the Lumes. Casio Edifice EF-129 versus the Casio Joro. Pretty simple. They're pretty similar and pretty crisp. Fantastic. Mineral glass on this watch, so don't worry too much about kind of scratches. It's going to take a bit of a beating over the years, I'd imagine. And also, this watch is a 24-year-old model. This first came out in 2010, which, you know, is pretty old now, to be honest, but obviously still pretty sought after with Casio fans and still readily available. Amazon sell this watch in 2 models. So if you're thinking about buying this, I highly recommend it. It's a great, you know, it's in a good price band. It's affordable, it's comfy, it looks great, and it's a pretty elegant watch, pretty versatile. You can probably wear this with anything, really. It doesn't really matter. And yeah, I'll definitely be buying more of these Edifices, I think, in the future. And yeah, also my dad, he bought one, so he's definitely going to lend me his soon, I think, to review. It's a real beauty, that one. It's a bit smaller than this, so yeah, I need to maybe steal it off him to review it. Cool. Well, thank you guys, and thanks for buying this watch, my lovely Polish friends. Very much appreciated. See you on the next review. Please like and subscribe if you fancy it, and thanks again for watching. See you all soon. Bye bye.